Okay, so we're back, and as you can see, Ed's gone ahead and got the hub all bolted in, those heavy grade 8 bolts all the way around. I think there's 18 of them. And with the lock washers on, Ed's rolling over the wheel. Holy Jesus, Ed. I guess that hub was a lightweight in comparison to that. There you go. Little tight space over here with the, we're up against the wall on this left-hand side, so there's not too much room to work. And that thing's got to sit on there just right. Yeah, it's a bear. I'll let it slide off the floor jack there. I'd come over and help you, but I'd probably screw it up more.
Yeah. Okay, pull it back down again.
Okay.
Gotta check something.
All right. Oh. Set that bearing in.
Yeah, set that bearing.
Make sure it fits just right. And we had one of those plates that hold that bearing. One of those were bent up a little bit, weren't they, Ed? On the other side?
Yep.
We had to get that out. And maybe that's what happened with the one on the other side. The guy, whoever did it last time, just couldn't get it to sit right. Jammed the thing in there. You know, that's one of the reasons I like doing business down here at North American in Danbury with Ed, because he just does it right. He doesn't just wham it back together. Of course, he's on film, so he doesn't want to get...
Make it right.
Good. Yeah, right. Yeah. You know.
So popped out again.
Popped out again.
Yep.
Son of a gun. All right.
Sometimes they fight.
Well, you know what we'll do, Ed? I'll take a break. Everybody knows what we're doing here. We'll
Yep.
take a break, and I'll give you a hand setting that wheel on there, and that'll make it go a little bit easier. Maybe two men working on it. And then once we've got that on and mounted, we'll pick up the camera again. All right, we're going to take a break.